Server's lagging. Why am I hearing music? Oh, because I have Kiara's thing going in the background. I was like, where's that music coming from? Are you okay? Are you okay? I lost the parrot. Okay. Wait. On it. Get up. Wait. What happened? Did you die? Did your parrot die?
Can you check the chat log? Does it tell you what happened? I killed my parrot.
You killed it! Why? How?
I was in the water and I was trying to shoot a drown, and my parrot swooped in and took the bullet for the drowned. What?
I'm sorry to hear that.
He was just an innocent little bird, but it was his fault. I didn't do it.
Ow.